Hey, Carla White here, founder of Hiro.fm, and today is a huge day for my team. We have been working for nearly a year, and I'm so proud of them for what they're going to launch today. In fact, they're launching it as I'm doing this video, and I'm super, super proud of them. And the whole reason we've been working so hard is for you, so you can get your message out faster, because we know that education, the whole landscape of education and how people are learning is changing quickly, and the knowledge you have can transform people's lives. It can unlock a whole new life for them, and anything that stands in the way of that holds them back. And it also holds you back. It holds you and your message back even more. So at Hiro, we've been working so hard to make that super fast for you to create your audio product, super fast for them, for your clients to install it and listen and get results even quicker. Now, we want to make it even faster for you to get your message out and to profit from it, because that's important too. We want you to profit so you can grow and you can make a bigger impact. And what we're releasing today will help you do that, because we all know that the future of education is changing. Also, how the internet, how everybody works is changing quickly too. We are so used to getting things at a touch of a button, one tap and it's in there. And what we've created for you will take away so many headaches, so many weeks of work and problems in hiring tech people, hiring designers, hiring all these people, save you so much money. And we have a special announcement at the end of the demo just for you, our Hiro members, that you are going to love. All right, let's cut to the chase and let me show you what we got. Here, the new Hiro login page. And if you don't see it like this, make sure you hit Control Refresh and get that new page showing up. That way you know you have the latest version because you want it. Let me show you what we all got. All right, so here, this is just some dummy data. Don't worry about this. But what I'm going to show you first is when you create a product, it's really super important you do it fast. How many of you guys get to the cover art and then you spend like 3 days creating cover art in Canva and you're like, that ain't it. And then you just like end up with something super simple. Well, guess what? We got you covered with this awesome new cover art creator. Because let's face it, this is all internal and not out on the complete, all the interwebs, right? You can use something else for the interwebs and promotion, but to get this out and rolling fast, we've got a cover art maker. So you just pick a graphic, a color, boom. But if you want to upload your own cover art, that's cool too. We got you covered there as well. All right. Now, on to the good stuff, because we want to help you sell more, sell faster. And I want to introduce our new sales page. All right. When we looked at the data, at all these like hundreds of thousands of sales pages, we went through them and we reviewed, and we noticed that there were 4 core elements to a really good sales page. And we boiled them down for you so you can have a sales page without coding, without paying for a subscription service, without having to tie in everything through all the different pieces and Zapier and all this other stuff. This is all instant. And let me walk you through it. It's so cool. And so one of the first things you'll see is you can have your sales page live or off. So if you don't want to use the sales page, we're cool with that, but you can. All right. Then you have some about text. This is really super important because this is one of the core 4. You need to tell people what they're going to get as a result of listening to your wonderful audio product. Now, if you got writer's block, we got you covered. We give you some examples that you can flip through. We even insert your product name into the text. You hit use this. Now, you do have to go in and edit a little bit, but it certainly will get you started. The next thing is the price. What do you want to charge for this? Do you want it to be free so then you can use it to build your list? Do you want a fixed price, or do you want subscription? Okay, we got that covered as well. And then we also offer this in different currencies, which we will be expanding on as well. So we're going to do a fixed price, $1,000. Now, another part of the core 4 is testimonials, because people wonder, will this work for me? And if they see somebody else who they can kind of relate to who said, yeah, this works, that's going to overcome some of the doubt and fear of purchasing the product. So we'll let you add reviews, and coming down the pipeline, your listeners will be able to add their own reviews, but you can upload an image, set the stars, be honest, give a name. You can give a last name if you allow it, and then their review. And here I already added I have Queen Latifah and Bob Marley both liked it. And then another part of the core 4 is FAQs. So people have questions. And we give you some 4 FAQs by default. These are just going to be there just so you can get out there quickly. You don't have to think about things. But you can edit them, and you can also add your own questions if you feel like you need it. I mean, also if maybe you're in another language, so English isn't the best language, so you can edit those. And then lastly, you can change the URL. Let's say you've got a really long name for your product, let's shorten it and save it to make it even easier. So now that all this is done, took you like 3 seconds, you connect your Stripe account. That's super quick, and we don't take any bit of the sales at all. Okay, you keep 100% of what you sell. And then here we have for you a beautiful sales page. Look at this. Now, the last of the core 4 is giving them a taster. This is like such an incredible thing. How many times have you walked into like your favorite bakery and they're like, here, you want a piece of this little donut or something? You end up buying the donut. That is so important. So what we have here is you can set certain episodes as samples. So then people can just,
if you're a coach,
author, fourth grader,
or
and it
host
is,
of
right?
any kind, listen up. Hiro is...
So they can sample it. They can play it right in their browser. So here we go. We got number of episodes, the length, this is just a tester, about, testimonials, FAQs, and then look at that. The creator, you, will be displayed with any other feeds, so you can have a whole bunch of them that you're selling. And when they purchase, they put in their details, they get added right away. You don't have to connect through Zippy or anything like that. They get access to your podcast right away. So this is going to save you tons and tons of hours of building sales pages, connecting everything, getting all the emails to be synced, all of that other stuff. 5 minutes and you're done. And this, for founding members, because you're a founding member, is only going to cost you $0. Zero. We are going to give it to you for free. So tuck in, let us know what you think, and I can't wait to see your sales pages. Be sure to share them with me. Share your sales page with me so I can help promote your audio product. All right? Thank you, and thank you for using Hiro.